right. All right, yeah. So basically for this one, just before I could do a muscle up completely unassisted, I used training wheels. I hit my first muscle up like so. And actually I was using 2 bends for double assistance, and then I removed one. And then I just started hitting sets of 10. Until I got completely familiar with the movement, and maybe I woke up some of the muscles that were sleeping and a little atrophied that were required for this movement. And eventually, I just tried taking off the training wheels altogether. See if I can. Pretty tired. But that's how you're doing. You have to do it with a band just so you understand the mechanics. Yeah. And you have to swing away from the bar. You have to like almost like put your foot out there and then swing back. Like you're on an actual swing. And then that's when you go over top of it like this. And then it's basically just a matter of doing a straight bar press, a straight bar dip.